Hey everybody, how's it going? Another After Effects CS6 tutorial here with Buddy Blackford. And today we're going to go over a feature that is new to CS6, and it is called the mask feather tool. So if you come up here to where the pen tool is and you hold down your mouse button, you can see that the mask feather tool is right there. So I'll show you how to use it real quick. Now I'm just going to make a square, and that's good enough. I'll zoom in so you can see, and we'll go over here to the mask feather tool. The hotkey is G, so if I hit G, it'll switch in between. So you can pull out a mask feather point from anywhere on your on your screen here. So if I pull out from point, it's going to pull out from everywhere there. I'm going to hit Control Z, and the same thing, you can pull out from the line there. You can pull out mask feathers from pretty much anywhere there. And I'll just make a few just so you can see. There you go. And my adaptive resolution is on, so it's trying to render every time I make a move. Now there's different properties for these mask feathers here. If you right click, you can see that there are a few different ones here. We'll start off with hold, and that goes clockwise and makes a constant feather until the next point. And then this next point here, it's independent. So if I make this one another hold, that's going to be that's going to go across all the way and then until this one. So that's something you can take note of. I mean, not really sure how that's too useful yet, but I'll figure it out as I use the program more, since this is a new tool. Everybody is still learning the best ways to use it. So I'll Control Z to move back out of these. Another thing you can use is the edit tension here, and what that is going to do is if I increase this, I don't think it's going to show up very well with the point layout I have, but it changes how the mask right here is like tensioned up. I'll make some more points so we can see it a little better. So we'll move this up, then we'll make another point here to like move it down. And I'll put the tension back on 0 for this one, but we'll go to this middle point and I'll edit the tension, and it's at 0 right now, so it's nice and curved. If I put it at 100, you can see that the tension changed. If you hold Alt on the keyboard for a PC, it'll come up to the like convert vertex tool looking thing with the double arrow. This is also how you adjust the tension. Just click and drag left or right, and you can, or up and down, and you can adjust the tension that way also. The next button here we have is edit radius. So I'll come over to this one, and the radius is pretty much just the distance between this point here and the actual mask, so it's the length of this line. So if I put it at 100, you'll see that the line will, or the point will be closer to the original mask, and then obviously the opposite will happen. You can also drag. There is no hotkey because all you got to do is drag. Now the next one on there is edit corner angle, and we'll pull out from a corner here and say clicked on the wrong thing. Right here, edit corner angle. Maybe I want it to be exactly 45 degrees. Hit OK. And there you go. For that, you can edit the angle of your corner there. Now I'm going to show you that if you hold Control and go over top of your mouse points there, you can, or over top of your feather points, you can delete them off. So I'm going to delete them all off real quick so I can show you another trick. So if you hold Shift, you'll get over this line right here. You'll get this, you'll get this, oh, I gotta get back onto my mask feather here. So click off. That's what I had to have my mask selected. I didn't have it selected at that point. So hover over it and you'll see the plus sign, so you can add another point. If you hold Shift, it'll have the 2 plus signs, and you can drag out and just pull out from a section there. And that's pretty cool if you want to make like a gradient fade looking kind of thing. I wanted to show you one more thing. If you right click, I got to get out of the way there. If you right click on your point here, not the actual feather point, if you right click on your vertex point and come over here to mask, you can change the fall off down here from smooth to linear, and just watch to the left how the mask changes, or how the fall off changes. It just got like a linear fall off instead of like an exponential smooth fall off. So it just changes how that looks there, and it depends on which one you like, is whatever one you want to use. And that's all I've got for you today on this new CS6 tool, where you can add different fall off and everything. So as you can see, the tool is a bit new and everybody's learning how to use it to its full potential. Experiment with it, see what you can do. I mean, it's good for rotoscoping, and you don't have to use it just on little shapes like this. You can use it on more better shapes, on like blurry parts of someone's hand, like if they're moving their hand and it's blurry every frame, you can use the fall off to catch that motion blur, and then the comping artist can put it in there and put some opacity on it and everything like that. So that's like a practical use in a studio. So I hope you guys enjoy this tool and practice with it, learn it, and use it. So I'm looking forward to seeing you guys on the next tutorial. We'll see you there.